Hi YouTube, Tim Eckert here. In this video, we are going to install Notepad++ on a Windows 11 laptop. I've got Google up, so let's just search for Notepad++, and we'll hit enter, and we're going to come to this website, notepad-plus-plus.org. So we'll click on that. Okay, we want to go down here to download, and we want to download the latest version, which at the time of this recording is 8.8.1. So we'll click on that. I have got a 64-bit computer, so I'm going to download that. Okay, once it downloads, you can find the folder in your downloads folder, or with Edge here, you have the option just to open the file. After you do that, it's going to ask you to make changes with your device, and a wizard's going to pop up. You can select the language. I'm going to keep it at English. Click OK. And then we're going to click Next here. You can read the welcome sign if you want. Accept the license agreement. Click I agree. I'm going to keep the default destination folder the same. I'll click Next. And I'm going to keep all of these installation settings the same and click Next. And the one thing I do want to check here is create a shortcut on the desktop. So I'll check that. You don't have to have that if you don't want. And I'll click Install. And now we can keep this checked to run Notepad. I'm going to close out Edge at this point. I'll click Finish. And Notepad++ will pop up. You can then right-click down here and pin it to your taskbar and maximize it like so. And you can begin to set up Notepad++. That's pretty much all there is to it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you.